Hello, welcome to Jolie Living. Today we're in the shop. I'm Rick, and this is my dad Charlie. He's going to show us how to light an acetylene torch. An acetylene torch is used for cutting heavier, thicker metals, as well as welding, bending, anytime you need some added heat, to loosen a rusty bolt or anything like that. But I'm going to let him take over from here.
Okay, first off, we have two different components to a torch. We have oxygen, which is green hose, acetylene, the red hose, and these are basic shut-off valves here. And this is an oxygen control valve up here. Once it'll be used in the lighting procedure. And just for simplicity, we've set the acetylene pressure at about 10 psi, and we have the oxygen pressure at about 30 psi. That can change a little bit here and there based on what you're trying to cut or weld and everything. In this case, we have a cutting torch. This is not used for welding, it's just for cutting metal, blowing holes, or you can use it to heat things if you need to. So with that in mind, we'll show you how I was taught to light a torch. There's many different ways, but this one has always worked well for me. So what we do, we make sure our main oxygen control valve is off. All these are off. So the first thing we want to do is crack the oxygen valve, and then if you're real handy, you can set and turn the acetylene valve with the one hand, and then strike. And then what I do is apply enough acetylene to get it away from the tip, not too far, and then just bring it back, and then turn on the oxygen control valve until we see the feathered cone, get it all the way back to where you have nice looking flame like that. And then it's ready to use. And this lever here is for cutting. So if you hit, that blows the slag away after you've gotten the metal hot.
Perfect.
So to turn it off, you normally turn the acetylene off first, then turn the oxygen off, and then you can turn the main shut off to the oxygen to the torch.
Awesome.
And that completes the procedure.
Thank you so much. Now I'll have it recorded forever, because I always forget. Okay.
Ready? Okay, to start a cut, I just have a sample down here with no lines or anything like that, but you want your torch, we're going to cut in this direction. Okay, so your torch needs to lean just a little bit, so you're always preheating ahead of the flame. If you have it like this, you're going to be blowing slag back here, but you can't heat, and it's not going to cut very well. So what you do is come in, you see the metal starting to get warm. And you test blow once in a while. And just bang it right on the top. Yeah, it didn't get good. Start to go in. There it is.
There it is. Awesome. Well, that's all we got for now. Just a quick tip. Thanks for watching Jolie Living, and thanks, Pop. I appreciate it.
Easy project.
On to the next one.